a second, I almost forgot all the wreckage. This hole full of hurt where my chest is, I felt like a person again. For a minute, I almost got lost in existence. The birds sang their song and I listened. There wasn't a thought in my head, but it never left. I just fall right back. It's hard to be human. Don't know what I'm doing half the time, 'cause I'm only a man with a pen in his hand and a couple of stories to write. It's hard to be human. Wish I had a blueprint for life, 'cause I'm only a dot on this old spin rock. I guess I'm just along for the ride. It's hard to be human. It's hard to be human sometimes. Someone stop me from pouring my fourth cup of coffee. I'm shaking, my heart's going offbeat, but at least I can get out of bed. Someone tell me that 6 hours of screen time is healthy.